Imagine a truly dark night, far from city lights. You look up and the sky comes alive. Shimmering curtains of green, pink, and violet dance above. This is the Aurora Borealis, the northern lights, a spectacle that has fascinated people for ages. Ancient tales spoke of spirits or gods dancing in the winter sky. The lights make us feel small, yet connected to the universe. It's a humbling reminder of nature's power and beauty. But what if this celestial ballet faded away? Imagine a world without this wonder. The night sky would feel emptier, a source of inspiration lost. The northern lights connect us to the cosmos, a connection we should cherish. Their future, however, is uncertain. The northern lights might not always be here as we know them. Forces of nature and human actions both play a role. We need to understand these changes to appreciate and protect what we have. Let's explore the fate of the dancing lights. What threatens their existence? And what can we do to keep this wonder alive? The story of the Aurora begins now. It all starts with our sun, a giant star constantly sending out a stream of charged particles, the solar wind. Earth's magnetic field, the magnetosphere, shields us from most of this wind. But some particles slip through, funneled toward the north and south poles. There they collide with atoms in our upper atmosphere, mostly oxygen and nitrogen. These collisions excite the atoms, which then release energy as flashes of light. Billions of flashes create the aurora's glow. Oxygen gives us green and sometimes red light. Nitrogen adds blue and purple. It's a beautiful chemistry show in the sky. And Earth isn't alone. Jupiter and Saturn have auroras too. This is a universal phenomenon, a cosmic connection across planets. The aurora is more than a light show. It's a sign of our planet's place in the solar system. Every display is a reminder of the sun's energy reaching us. The science behind the aurora is as magical as the sight itself. But this magic depends on a delicate balance. Changes in the sun or Earth can shift the show. Let's see how these forces shape the lights we love. The aurora's story is written in solar wind and magnetic fields, and it's always changing. The sun follows an 11-year cycle. Sometimes it's stormy, sometimes calm. During solar maximum, more sunspots and flares mean stronger solar wind and more intense auroras, visible farther from the poles. During solar minimum, the auroras weaken and retreat northward. Right now we're heading into a strong solar maximum, prime time for aurora viewing. But Earth's magnetic field is also shifting. The magnetic North Pole is moving from Canada toward Siberia, and it's speeding up. This natural process changes where auroras appear. Our planet is dynamic, and so is the aurora. These cycles mean the light's visibility ebbs and flows, a cosmic pulse. But there's more. Human activity is changing the view. Light pollution from cities washes out the night sky, making auroras harder to see. Fewer places remain truly dark. The aurora needs darkness to shine. Climate change may also affect the upper atmosphere, altering aurora formation. Scientists are still studying these effects. The future of aurora viewing is uncertain, a mix of natural cycles and human impact. If we want to keep seeing the lights, we need to act. The fate of the aurora is in our hands as much as in the stars. What can we do to protect this wonder? Light pollution is spreading, making it harder to see the aurora even when it's there. Darkness is a natural resource, vital for wildlife and our connection to the night sky. The aurora's beauty depends on truly dark skies. Climate change and shifting magnetic poles add to the challenge. If auroras move to darker, less populated areas, viewing might improve, but only if those places stay dark. If the lights weaken or light pollution spreads, the spectacle could fade. The future of aurora viewing is a delicate balance. We must protect darkness and our planet to keep the lights alive. The choice is ours. Want to see the northern lights? Now is the time. Solar activity is high. Travel to dark sky places far from city lights for an unforgettable experience. Support dark sky reserves and efforts to reduce light pollution. Choose eco-friendly travel and support communities that value darkness. Science matters. Support research and education about the sun and Earth. The more we know, the better we can protect the aurora. The northern lights are a gift. Let's not take them for granted. Cherish and protect our night skies. Reduce light pollution, fight climate change, and inspire others, so future generations can witness this cosmic dance, the magic of the aurora for all time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.